total price. Okay, so I'm going to select everything. And Control C, scroll down, Control V, and this is going to be our alternate. Alternate one. Where all you have to do is change this dimension from 10 feet to 8 feet. So let's see, I still have 6 to lay out, 6 foundations, same size, same amount of concrete, same amount of concrete finishing. My columns, same number of columns, same height of columns. My glue lamb beams, I still have 3 glue lamb beams. Yeah, they're still 50 feet long each, so no change there. Alright, okay, my dimensional number, this number changed, so this is now equal to 8,550, so 400 square feet. And this dimension is 50 by 20. It's no longer 10 feet long, it's here, 10 feet wide, it's now 8 feet wide. The hangers, actually would be the same number of hangers, no change there. Trex, let's see, I got markers, yeah, so that will change. That is 16, yeah. And then my handrail didn't change. I'm done. So the deduct, we put it here. Deduct to reduce bridge width from 10 feet to 8 feet. Do a little bit of math. This is equal to my original price, or actually it'd be this new price, minus the original price, which is $3,481. And that's when they tell you you're a no-good, lying, stealing estimator that's trying to take advantage of them because they reduced the size of that bridge by 20%. And I'm telling you, this is conversations you will have, or at least they'll look at you this way. They reduced the size of the bridge by 20%, right? So that should have been, that times 0.2, should have been a deduct of 23,000. We reduced square footage by 20%, I should get 23,000 back or something close. And you're telling me I only got $3,500 back? Why? Because our foundations didn't reduce, our steel didn't reduce, our glue lamps didn't reduce, our handrails didn't reduce. We shrunk our number of 2x10s and our Trex stayed by 20%. Those are the only 2 line items that actually changed. So this is where, and that's why I have you guys do this, is cost per square foot's great. It's a helpful little rule of thumb, telling you if you're right or wrong, but don't price things by cost per square foot, or you could get wrecked real quick. One job is not necessarily exactly like the others. It's a handy rule of thumb. It is not a rule. And I feel like that's a good illustration of how that works. And yes, people will get angry with you when the deducts are nowhere near what they think they should be going. And I see this all the time where, you know, we bid out a whole job on a larger scale and the owner comes back and they say, okay, we gotta cut out $2 million. Let's cut out square footage. Well, that electrical engineer never reduces the number of amps in the panel. So the panel size stays the same. The number of sub-panels stay the same. The HVAC tonnage, the engineer never reduces the HVAC tonnage, so that stays the same. All these line items stay the same, and yes, some of them do reduce, but it wasn't engineered correctly for that reduced square footage. So it's where an accurate budget early on that the architects and engineers can design to gets the value, get the budget right up front, do your VE at program, do your VE at SD, schematic design, not after you took final bids on construction documents, because you will be getting pennies back on the dollar, and it's not entirely because you're getting ripped off, it's because you're not getting rid of all the things you should have been able to get rid of. Okay, that's the assignment. Save it as a PDF and send it. We're gonna move on to the next thing. I'll give y'all 5 minutes to do that, so.
Professor Torres, does your spreadsheet account for the price of the hangers?
Sure. Hangers, right, the formula did not copy that. So let's see. There we go. Okay, everybody's done, email that in. Let's start on the next assignment. So file, save as.